In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down to a ClickFunnel. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to add a drop-down using the select box element and how to customize it so it fits your funnel perfectly. First, you'll want to access the page editor inside your funnel. Go ahead and open the funnel that contains the page where you want the drop-down to appear. Once you see the list of pages in that funnel, find the specific page you want to edit. On the right side of that page, click the Edit button to open up the ClickFunnels page editor. Give it a second to load, and you should now be inside the drag and drop builder where you can change the design and add new elements. Next, we're going to add the select box element, which is what ClickFunnels uses for dropdowns. Inside the editor, decide where on the page you want this dropdown to show up. If you don't already have a section there, start by adding a new section to that area of the page. The section is the large container that holds your content. Once that's in place, add a row inside the section. Rows sit inside sections and let you control how many columns you want. Now inside that row, look for the orange plus icon, which is the Add New Element button. Click that, and you'll see a list of all the different elements you can add. Scroll until you find the Form category, because dropdowns are considered form elements. Under the Form category, select the Select Box element. When you click it, ClickFunnels will drop that element right into the row you selected, and you should see a basic dropdown appear on your page. Once the select box is in place, it's time to customize your dropdown so it actually shows the options you need. Click on the select box to open its settings. One of the most important settings is the input type. Here, you have a few built-in choices. You can choose all countries, which automatically fills the dropdown with a list of all countries. You can choose all United States, which pre-populates the dropdown with all US states. You can pick all Canadian provinces, which gives you a ready-made list of provinces. Or, for the most flexibility, choose custom options. With custom options, you can type in your own list, like product variations, services, or any choices you want visitors to select from. After you pick the right input type and adjust the options, make sure to save your changes in the editor so your new dropdown is live on the page.